God, why me? God, why me? Why? What is all this? Why is all this happening to me, God? I went to the hospital and now the doctor is telling me that I have 2 days left to live in this earth. Are you going to sit down there and watch me die? Are you, God? Are you going to sit down on your throne and watch me going through pains all the time? My life has been miserable all the time. I am tired. I am tired, God. Are you not the God that people are serving? Are you not the God? Why are you just leaving me like this? Going through pain all the time, crying all day and night? Why? I regret everything. I regret my life. I have nothing left again. I just want to die like that. Why? Why me, man? Why me, God?